This is a 6-pack solar patio LED. Put it around your landscape anywhere you want. This is what it looks like. It is a solar panel, AA battery, about 500 milliamps. It's got a glass cover with a plastic frame around it. Actually, this is aluminum. So it is pretty strong indeed. Now on the bottom of the unit you have a pole. It's going to go into the area. Take your time and press it in. It's an aluminum pole made of metal. And you have a stake, and the stake is made of plastic. And you're going to put them together like so, like them in the background. Now if you ever need to change out the battery, you just grab the top, you twist it, it opens up. Inside's got a chrome-like mirror dome. On the inside, it's got a switch that goes to the multicolor and the soft Kelvin. Now it has a cover that you're going to pull off the battery tab, and you're going to release the tab over here that gets to the battery that's inside, and you can replace them. This one needs to be replaced. We'll put a AA battery in. They are IP rated. If I cover it, you see the light multicolor. You're not going to see it because it's dark, but you can see it working right now. We'll come back in the evening hour and show you what this looks like. Again, you simply take it off, put the AA battery in it, 4, 6, 800 milliamp. It'll last all night long, dusk to dawn. There's no on and off switch, so when it becomes dusk, it turns on. When it becomes dawn, it is shut off. And this will charge 365 with the sun. So let's show you an evening shot of what they look like. We have 5 of the 6 packs of the solar LEDs in the background, and they are changing all the colors, RGB, multicolor. As the lights dim down, you'll see the light is warm Kelvin, the last 2, and these 3 different colors. They give a design. They throw a nice design on the floor. I'm going to take one, put it against the fence, and I'm going to bring it out just a little further so you can see the actual design it gives. That gives you an idea what it looks like if it's on the floor, nighttime. I hope you enjoy your lights. The solar patio lights, 6-pack, decorate anywhere imaginable.